Hello traders. Today is the 8th of June 2011, and happy trading to you all. The time in London is 3 minutes past 8 p.m. London time. London is now closed, but New York is still open. New York will be closed in the next 57 minutes or so. Okay, so that's it for today, really. Alright, so I hope you have had a nice day. We are looking at the USD yen currency pair, the yearly charts of the crazy currency pair, the currency pair that we title the crazy currency pair. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. The TSTW stands for Trading Systems That Work. Okay, if you have been losing money like I did myself before, and you want to start improving your trade, okay, pay attention to the TSTW trading system. Okay, now what's happening here? Now this video, the title of this video is about Forex. This is about a tactical Forex trader. The title of this video is a tactical Forex trader, combining, okay, the technical with the fundamental. I want to show you one trick that you can use, that you can pay attention to, okay, that you can be aware of, and next time you see this kind of thing happening, that you may analyze it and position yourself at the right place. Okay, no trading strategy is 100% accurate, okay, but being aware of the strategy is better than being completely ignorant about it. Okay, what's happening here? We have here the yearly chart. As I showed you before, on the yearly chart we will find the critical price level. Okay, if you have not watched our video regarding the critical price level, please bookmark this webpage, www.youtube.com/George Trio. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anytime we post a video, directly you will be alerted and be the first to watch it. You can even embed our video on your YouTube channel if you are new YouTube person, okay, and you can even send our YouTube video to your friend, post it on Twitter, on Facebook, email to your friend, okay. And we thank you for your support. Some of you have been doing it, so we thank you for your support. Now, what's happening here? We are looking at the crazy currency pair, the USD yen currency pair. I'm going quickly again, as I did before many times, to highlight the high of the year 2010 and the low of the 2010. The low of the 2010, okay, is 8024. Now this level for the USD yen currency pair, you cannot afford to forget it. 8024, that's the lowest point of last year. The highest point of the year 2010, these are what I call critical price level. Okay, the highest point for the USD yen last year was 9499. These are critical price level. The opening price level for the USD yen for the year 2010 is 9295. That's the opening price. The closing price was 8113. Okay, 8113 was the closing price of the year 2010 for the crazy currency pair, the USD yen. The lowest point, as I told you already, is 8024. Talking about the critical price level, the highest point and the lowest point are very important. Okay, so today, what's happening today? We are just the lowest point, as I told you, okay, is 8024. Okay, we are below that level right now. Okay, 8024. That's the lowest point of last year, and we are below that. Whenever you are below a low of previous year, which is a critical price level, that's bearish for this USD yen currency pair, very bearish. But what I want you to pay attention to, if for one reason or another the price return back above that level of 8024, that's bullish, because in the downtrend the price might display lower lows and lower highs until it fails to display a new lower low. If we see today, okay, the closing price of today candle, the daily chart, is above this level of 8024, that will be bullish, because what has happened is that the price has failed to display a new lower low, at least on the daily chart. On the yearly chart, is the candle is not yet completed, so at least on the daily chart, the level of 8024 is a critical price level. If the price returns above the 8024, that will be perfectly bullish. Remember that, very important. So what's happening now? What are we talking about? Talking about the tactical forex trader. Okay. I want you to combine, okay, the news, the fundamentals together with the technical. That's about a tactical forex trade. Okay, I want to show you something very simple that you pay attention to. Okay, we're going now to the daily chart. Don't forget what we have said already. This is on the hourly chart, not daily chart. It's the hourly chart. You can see since the 1st of June, beginning of June, people have been selling. Okay, the dollar yen currency pair big time. Okay, they have been selling it big time. You see, if you draw a trend line on this hourly chart, you can clearly see that you should be mad to be buying, I mean, so to speak, but in fact this currency pair is oversold in the proper sense of the word, oversold. But if you look at this channel, like I told you before, the price is always going through a channel, a declining channel, a rising channel, and a horizontal channel. Here we have a declining channel telling us that the price is going down. So watch it, okay, watch it. As a TSTW24 trader, on our website, our exclusively website, www.best-trading-strategy.com, there is a video about how to trade a 4-hour chart like professional trader, how to buy on the 4-hour chart, how to sell on the 4-hour chart. If you are TSTW24 trader and you have not watched that video, you can go and watch it again. The second thing I want to tell you regarding the Swing 240 trading system, if you have been cutting corners with that powerful tool, get back to it, especially if you are Forex trader, the Swing 240 trading system. Okay, like I told you before, a trading system does not trade for traders, but it gives them the power and ability to make accurate decisions in the heat of the moment during the market opening time. Okay, you do not come to war trying to plan your strategy and what you need to do. You should have a plan, and the trading system is your plan. Okay, plus the money management, 5% money management rule, and using stop loss in every trade. This is how it is done. Okay, moving on, talking about tactical forex trader, what has happened is that people were selling the dollar since last Friday because of the non-farm payroll was a poor performance for the US economy. So there is a fundamental reason for the banks and the hedge fund to be busy selling this currency pair. I do not sell this currency pair anymore. The only thing I'm interested in is to buy. I don't want to sell it. Okay, I have my reason for it, because I consider it oversold, and I don't want to sell a currency that is beaten down to the ground. Okay, if we, like I showed you before in my previous video, if you look on the yearly chart, you can see that this is beaten down. I don't want to sell here. I prefer to sell up somewhere here. Okay, what I want to sell, I would prefer to sell instead this one. Okay, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair on the yearly chart. You see, it's rising. I want to sell on the top and bring it below. That's what I want to do if I receive a valid sell signal. Okay, bringing it back. Okay, so we are looking at this, what you see on the yearly chart. So I don't want to sell anymore. Some people may sell, but I'm out of it. Okay, now what are we talking about here? Looking on the hourly chart, we can see that people were selling because of the news that was released last Friday. But these people, they are clever traders, they are smart traders, they are not crazy traders, they are smart traders because of the fundamental reason. On Friday, okay, pay attention, on Friday, last Friday, when the news was released, the dollar went down big time. The USD yen currency pair went down quickly, okay, only to retrace back up. Okay, when it was going up. Why was it going back up? Because the smart money want to sell. If the smart money want to sell, the price must go up. They don't sell when the price go down. So some smart trader who sold it straight away, who gets the news, who bet right on the direction of the news, they sell it down. So now everybody know the news is out, so though it's bearish, they want to sell. What the price should do, the price should go up. But during that time, a lot of retail traders start selling straight away. You don't sell. So the price rise up nicely, the USD yen, And then what's happened? We knew they sold it down, and since they sold it, that's what's happened on the hourly chart. The price going down. What I want you to do, talking about tactical forex trader, these people, they are smart traders. Okay, tomorrow there is another news that is going to be released. What these people will be thinking? They make a lot of money here. What will they think? They will be thinking to take some profit, yes or no? They will go into their mind. They will decide to take some profit unless they know something that we do not know. But you do not just make this kind of analysis in the void, or go and make some spontaneous decision, some crazy decision, but just analyzing, going into the mind of these people. They have been making money since the 1st of June up to today, the 8th of June, 8 days in a row. They have been creaming the market to the downside. Tomorrow there is another important news that can perfectly change the direction of the market. So these people are smarter than they may decide to take some profit. This is about a tactical forex trader. Now, we're going to check the news that is about to be released. Tomorrow, as always, on every Thursday, we have what we call the unemployment claim here at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 1:30 p.m. London time. You click on the envelope here. You go to www.stochasticmarket.com. Click on the economy calendar and click on the Forex Factory. Now, you click on the envelope here, you open this page for you, tell you the number of individuals who filed for the first time, who filed unemployment insurance for the first time, those who became unemployed for the first time, claiming the unemployment insurance or the unemployment benefits for the first time. If those numbers increase, okay, if the number is very high compared to the forecast is 424,000. Okay, so if the number end up being higher than 424,000, that's bearish for the dollar, so the dollar will continue crashing down. But if for instance is significantly, not just low, significantly lower than what they have forecast, suppose tomorrow for instance we have instead of 424,000 we have 100,000. That's excellent. That's bullish for the dollar, because less people have claimed for the first time, okay, the unemployment benefit, okay, or even better, if we have 50,000, even 10,000, that would be great. So the forecast was 424,000. Okay, if it dropped big time, there is a huge difference between the forecast and the actual figure. We want the actual figure to be lower than the forecast figure. This is about the unemployment claim. It's a high impact news. That's why the envelope is here very red. So these people, they know that this is a high impact news. So talking about a tactical forex trader, a high impact news is about to be released tomorrow. The market is bearish towards the dollar. They want to sell the dollar. The strategy that these people who are selling the dollar here, what they can do, they can perfectly move their stop loss to a certain level and leave it there, okay, and let the market play the rest, okay. Or some people may decide to take some profit straight away here, or some other traders may bet against them, thinking that tomorrow figures will be excellent, so they start buying straight away as the price starts rising, okay. Some traders, okay, may decide to take some profit that they have made in the last 8 days, or they keep moving their stop loss to the upside, okay, which means they have been squeezed to the upside. This is about tactical forex trader, and using the technical and the fundamental. We have seen clearly that we are below the low of last year, which is perfectly bearish. The key level that I told you now is towards the low of 2010 at 8024. If the price return back above that level, that's bullish. But remember, the US economy is still struggling, which means it's still not perfect, okay. Tomorrow, if the number of people who claim the unemployment benefit for the first time, okay, has increased significantly, we are back again at square one, so to speak, which means dollar going down, okay. So this is about a tactical forex trading, paying attention to the technical, the fundamental, and going into the mind of other traders. I hope you enjoy this video also, okay, that you will put into practice in order, okay, to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW SYS 08 traders. Thank you.